Dear students, this is a short revision of number system. So in number system, we are going to see about integers. Integers are the collection of natural numbers, 0 and negative integers. The number line gives a visual representation of the set of all integers with the positive integer to the right of the 0 and the negative integers to the left of the 0. So, you have to draw a number line and center it is a 0. Positive integers should be on the positive, right hand side, and the negative integers you have to write in the left hand side. Now, by using the rules of integers, we are going to solve the exercise sums. So, plus into plus, you have to add the given integer. Plus into minus, you have to subtract the integers. Minus into minus, plus, minus into plus equal to minus. Now, in exercise 1.1, 8 and minus 12 add the following by using a number line. First step, you have to draw a number line with 0. Draw a positive integer on the right hand side and a negative integer on the left hand side. What is given in the question? It is positive 8. So move forward from 0, 8 step. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So from 8, you have to move 12 steps backward to represent minus 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So your answer is minus 4. How to check whether your answer is right? So 8, add the following, plus given in the question minus 12. Okay ma. Now 8 plus into minus, we have to write the minus sign here with 12. Now what operation we have to do with this two integer? Either add or subtract. So plus into minus, we have to subtract this two integer. So 12 minus 8, it is 4, which is a greater number. It is 12 and the sign for that number is minus. So your answer is minus 4. It's clear, student, how to draw a number line? And question number 3, minus 100 plus minus 10 is given. Okay. First step to remove the bracket, minus 100 plus into minus, minus 10. Now, minus into minus, we have to add to this two integer. So, 100 plus 10, 110. And one more thing, you have to check what sign should come in the answer. Okay, which number is greater here? It is 100 and sign for that number is minus. So, your answer is minus 110. Let's try one more sum. 82 plus in the bracket they given minus 75. So 82 plus into minus, minus 75. So now plus into minus, we have to subtract this two number. So you will get the answer as 4. Wait 1 minute ma. Your answer is 7. And now which number is greater? It is 82, sign for that is plus, so plus 7. One more sum, minus 225 plus and in bracket minus 63. So minus 225 plus into minus, minus 63. Now what we have to do with this two integer? Which operation we have to use here? Minus into minus, we have to add this two number. So you will get answer as 288. Now don't forget to check the sign over in the answer. Which number is greater? It is plus, minus. Number is 225. That minus sign you should represent here. Minus 288. Try to work out the word problems in the given exercise. That simple sums in the other exercise we will work out and see. Same like previous exercise, where there we did the addition of integer. In exercise 1.2, we are going to solve the sums by using subtraction of integers. So, question number 3, subdivision 1, minus 3 minus, and here in the bracket it is given as minus 4. First step, minus 3, minus into minus plus 4. What we have to do with this two integer? Plus minus 3, 1. 4 minus 3, it is 1. Which number is greater? 4, and the sign for that is plus 1. The same we are going to do by using a number line. So draw a number line with a 0, positive integer on the right hand side and the negative integer on the left hand side. You have to write the numbers like this. Now from starting 0, what is given in the question? Minus 3. So 1, 2, 3. Minus 3. We have to move units backward to represent minus 3. Then turn towards the negative side and move 4 units backward. Then we will reach plus 1. Okay, so your answer is plus 1. In next one, in exercise sum, 35 minus 64. You have to subtract, and in the bracket it is given as 64. The additive inverse of minus 64 is plus 64. Now, 35 plus 64. So here, plus into plus, we have to add this to number. So the answer is 99. Which number is greater? 64. Sign for that number is plus. So plus 99 is your answer. One more sum we will try, ma. Minus 200. Minus, and in the bracket they given as plus 100. Okay, minus 200 minus, okay, and the additive inverse of 100 is plus 100 is minus 100. Now minus 200, minus into minus, plus 100. Minus into plus, sorry ma, once again I will revise this sum. Minus 200 minus, and in the bracket plus 100 is given. The additive inverse of minus 100 is plus 100. Now minus 200 minus 100. Minus into minus, we have to add this to number. So 300. Which number is greater? 200. Sign for that number is minus sign. So minus 300. Okay. Next, in exercise 1.3, we are going to do product of integers by using the rules of integer. Here it is given minus 35 into 22. Usual multiplication you can do the here. So minus 35 into 22. Okay ma. 2 5s are 10. Carry over 1. 2 3s are 6. 7. 2 5s are 10. 1. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7. So add 0, 770. So 770, and in sign, coming to the sign part, minus into plus minus. Minus into plus minus. So you have to write the minus sign here. Coming to next one, minus 10 into 12 into minus 9. First you try to solve this two multiplying and find the product of these two number. So minus into plus minus, 10 into 12, 120. 120 along with minus 120 into minus 9. So minus into minus plus, you multiply this two number, so you will get 1080. Is it clear, students? One more sum to find the product of the given integer. Minus 25 into 0 into 45 into 90. So any number multiplied by 0, your answer is 0. No need to work out and see the answer to find the answer. 0 is there, so your multiplying your answer is also 0. Okay, try to work out the other sums in this exercise. Next one is a division of integer. Here we are going to use the division rule. So minus divided by minus. So in the answer you have to write the plus sign. My plus divided by minus. So in the answer minus sign should come. Minus divided by plus equal to minus. Plus divided by plus equal to plus. Okay. Here for example, first one minus 75 divided by 5. Okay. Usual division you can do. So minus in the numerator and plus in the denominator. So in the answer you have to write the minus sign. And 75 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, 15 times it will come. So 15s are 75 will come. So minus 75 is your answer. One more sum. Minus 100 divided by minus 20. So 0, 0 you can cancel. 2 ones are, 2 5s are. So 5 in your answer. Now minus minus you can cancel. And the sign over there is plus sign. Coming to the word problem, question number 4. The product of two integers is minus 135. If one integer is minus 15, find the other integer. So given the product of two integers is minus 135. One number they given as minus 15. So the transposition of minus 15 is to that side as divide. So minus 135 divided by minus 15. So minus minus we can cancel. And in 15 tables, 9 times 135 will come. So your 9 is your answer. The other number is 9. So try to work out the exercise sums in 1.4. For example, one more sum. Minus 400 divided into 10 equal parts gives dash. Okay. Minus 400 divided by 10. 10 ones are 10. 0 40s are. Okay. Now which sign should come? Minus 40. Understand ma? How to divide your integers? So in this chapter, you are going to solve addition of integer, subtraction of integer, multiplication and division of integer. Try to work out example sums in your backside of your homework note. Like home test, you can try that sums. Prepare well for unit test 4. Chapter 1 is also there for your unit test. Work out and see all the exercise sums in a long size paper. Thank you, students.